Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check sent follow request on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Alright, let's begin. So unfortunately within Instagram, there is no any feature by which we can go to see all of your sent follow requests. So in order to do this, we need to download a copy of our data from Instagram. And then in there, we can see all the different follow requests that we've sent. So to do that, first open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then select your profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your profile, open the menu by selecting the three lines in the top right of Instagram. Now that we're in the menu, then all we need to select is Account Center at the top. Now that we're in Account Center, scroll down and select your information and permissions. And we just want to select Download your information. Now we need to select is download or transfer information, and then select some of your information. From here, we just want to scroll down and under connections, go ahead and select all. Now all we need to do is select next at the bottom. Then just make sure download to device is selected and select next. And then in here, we can first select the date range. So you want to make sure this follow request includes the date range of the follow request. So if you send it in the last month, then select last month. If you send it maybe 2 years ago, select last 3 years or all time. So select that and then go to save. Now you can select the email that you use for notification and the format. I recommend HTML for the format and then the media quality. You don't have to worry about that, that's only for images. So go ahead and select create files. It'll then bring us back to download your information where it'll start compiling that information. So after some time, your information will be prepared. You just have to download it from here. And you will be able to see all of your sent follow requests that you have sent in selected period of time. So that's basically how you can check sent follow requests on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.